trying something new for brunch today. So I have a muffin pan of some kind. I chose to use this one. This one's from Williams Sonoma. It's actually like a pumpkin shaped one, but I just wanted it to have a little bit more room to puff up. So I'm choosing to use this. But any muffin pan, you're gonna need a large bowl, 3 eggs, 2/3 to a cup of cheese. I have like a combination of sharp cheddar, mozzarella, what else? I think there's one, a Swiss maybe in there. 1/3 of a cup of bacon and 1/4 of a cup of some finely chopped up onion. And then 1 thing of biscuits, whatever biscuits you might have on hand. I'm literally just using whatever I have in the fridge today to put this together. So the oven is set at 350 right now, and I will show you what it looks like at the very end, but I'll leave the recipe down below. In the oven. I did an entire reel showing you guys how to make these, so this will be up on Instagram today as well for you to get the recipe easily. But I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we are watching the game from last night that we didn't watch.
Right near the Superstition Mountains. This is the back end of Superstition Mountains.
It was so nice outside, we just decided to take a drive and see what was out here and take a little hike. This is one of
66 degrees.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And there's so many cactus here. Anyways, no spider sightings or snake sightings yet. We're staying on the trails though. Morning! I have this headband on because my hair was crazy and I needed to get to my nail appointment. No more baby pink. Bye-bye baby pink. I don't know what I'm doing at all yet today though. I have no makeup on, so ignore that, but look how stinking cute my nails are. So 2 years ago, I think I did one of these little like hearts on an accent finger, and this year I decided to do them on all my nails because I loved it so much. So cute, right? So fun and festive. So remember last week when I got these at Trader Joe's? We're finally trying them out tonight. It smells amazing and very garlicky. So there they are. They look delish. Also made a Caesar salad. So we get some veggies in. All right, time for— There's Zozo. There's my Zoe. Good girl. Who's my good girl? Hey guys, it's Thursday. I feel like this week is never ending. Anybody else have that kind of week? Not that it's a bad week. I don't want that to come off bad. I think it's because Chris and I are both excited to go to the Suns game tomorrow with the kids. It was one of their Christmas gifts. So it's like a Christmas gift to all of us pretty much because we all got tickets to go as a family. So that'll be really fun. We're going Friday. And then Saturday, Lexi's going with my mom to get her hair cut and dyed. It was part of her Christmas present, so she's really excited about that. I'm getting my brows re-microbladed. And I don't know. It's like I go back and forth about it. I really love when they're microbladed. It makes it so much easier for me, but like I waited a whole, like, it's been 1.5 years, I think, since I last got the microbladed, and they're really faded now. So, and it's always more money when you don't, like, go every 6 months to get it touched up. So yeah. Anyways, I kind of go back and forth about if I'm going to go or not. And that's pretty much it. Not much going on. We have been watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine because it's hilarious on Hulu. because I had never seen it. Chris had seen a few seasons, but I had not, and so we've been watching that, and it's so funny. This has become Trader Joe's week because I'm doing the Kung Pao chicken that I got, and it smells so good. I did taste the sauce, and it's really good, and it has like some chili peppers in there too, so it's nice and spicy. And so finished that, making the white rice right now. And these two are intently waiting for something to fall, but you can't have this, babies. It's spicy. So instead I'm giving them carrots. I don't know if you can see that bag over there. Lucy's yawning. So I've had this bag for a little while, and I was about to actually tuck it away into a spot in my closet and realized that I hadn't really spoken about it yet. It's by the brand Sin Bono, and it is a vegan leather brand, so it's cruelty-free. It's really nice quality, though. It looks like real leather. I like the gold hardware, and it fits really nicely on my shoulder. Like, it's not too big, but it fits enough. If you guys know what I mean, like sometimes it's either too much or too little, and I feel like this one specifically is a great size. I love the burnt orange color too. It does come in a bunch of other shades, including black if you would rather that, but I wanted to get a pop of color because this actually matches a bunch of my sweaters. But it kind of has some brown tone to it, so it works with other like blue like jean outfits and stuff. But anyway, I will link this down below for you guys if you are curious, and I do have a 25% off code, so I will link that as well too. Holly when she wants attention, and I'm not giving it to her. Right, babies? So I'm home now, feeding the doggies and grabbing a few things before the Suns game. And oh, wait till you see our masks too. Chris got these really cute Suns masks for everyone to wear. So yeah, I'll show you some of the game probably while we're there with the kids, and yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. I'm just making sure everything gets coordinated before I leave. And then actually I'm going to an appointment for alteration for my dress for my friend Aubrey's wedding. That's in only 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. Next weekend is bachelorette and bridal shower weekend too. So it's going to be jam-packed for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, we're going to go enjoy the game tonight. Probably, I think I'm going to go pick up some food beforehand too for us. Everyone's got their Suns gear on. I do too, but you just can't see it, I'm cold. To go get the mail, I bring a bag with me. I went for a walk this morning. It seemed beautiful for a morning walk. You guys, I'm seriously the luckiest. Just got surprised with some beautiful roses this morning. Look at this beautiful piece that Mama B brought by for Valentine's Day. She said it's her Valentine gift to me. She's just seriously the sweetest. And I'm not even done. Okay, look at this. She's just too good. Anyways, she got me this, and look how beautiful this is. I don't know if you can tell how big. Here, this is the size of my hand. So it's pretty big. It's like a little Dutch oven. You can bake in it. And it's just so pretty. I'm leaving it here on the oven, but when I cook, I would take it off when I start cooking. And then this is for Easter time, all of these things. She found this cute little Easter candy basket, and you can either use the Rae Dunn side or not. Like, even the other side's cute if you're not a Rae Dunn person. So cute. And then these carrot wreaths for where I have the heart ones now.